Seniors, it's time to talk openly about a challenge millions of men quietly endure. That constant pressure when you sit down, the repeated late-night bathroom visits, the silent disappointment as closeness and intimacy begin to fade. This isn't simply old age. It's your prostate becoming enlarged and inflamed, slowly stealing away your comfort and independence. Most men are caught off guard by it. Even worse, they stay silent. But overlooking it is exactly where serious problems take root. For generations, an entire class of natural foods has been supporting and restoring men's prostate health. Yet today, modern healthcare barely mentions them. There is one particular fruit that, when used the right way, can begin easing inflammation and restoring comfort in under 18 hours. Yes, you heard that correctly. And today, I'm going to explain exactly why that happens. I'm Dr. Katherine Rocker, a geriatric physician and men's health expert. For more than 2 decades, I've guided thousands of men back to feeling strong, confident, and energized again, without relying on medications or invasive procedures. Their results show us something powerful. Nature still holds solutions we've forgotten to trust. Now imagine this. What if the most powerful fruit for prostate healing isn't some rare supplement shipped from overseas? What if it's already in your kitchen, waiting to help you feel like yourself again? In this video, you'll uncover 5 easy-to-find fruits that help shrink the prostate, improve circulation, and restore that sense of vitality and confidence. And believe me, the number 1 fruit on this list surprises almost everyone. You've likely been eating it for years without knowing what it was really doing for you. If you're ready to take charge of your health, subscribe now and turn on notifications. Every video I create is filled with natural, practical strategies to help you live fully. Comment yes if this resonates with you, or no if it doesn't. I personally read every comment. Now let's dive right into the first prostate-supporting powerhouse, citrus. Forget everything you thought you knew about oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. This is where your healing path truly starts. Number 5, citrus. Citrus fruits are bright, vibrant gifts of nature that fill our homes with color and freshness. But beyond their sunny appearance lies a benefit many men never consider: their powerful effect on prostate health. That everyday fruit you enjoy could actually be calming swelling, reducing discomfort, and helping restore balance where your body needs it most. Historically, citrus fruits were treasured for their healing abilities. Ancient Mediterranean healers used them to cleanse and strengthen the body, and Roman soldiers relied on lemon-infused water to maintain stamina and vitality. That long-standing reputation wasn't accidental. Today, science confirms what history already knew. Citrus fruits are rich in bioflavonoids, including antioxidants such as hesperidin and naringin. These compounds combat oxidative stress within prostate tissue, a major contributor to inflammation and discomfort. That's only part of the story. Vitamin C, which citrus is famous for, plays a crucial role in prostate wellness. It supports collagen formation in blood vessel walls, helping them stay flexible and resilient. When circulation improves, pressure around the prostate decreases, which can significantly ease discomfort, especially for men dealing with nocturia, those exhausting nighttime bathroom trips. I once worked with a 68-year-old patient who struggled for months with pelvic pressure and frequent nighttime urination. I suggested one simple habit: drinking lemon-infused water each morning. Within weeks, his nocturia improved and the constant discomfort gradually faded. That small daily ritual made a meaningful difference. Citrus compounds help regulate inflammatory signals in prostate cells, reducing swelling. At the same time, they enhance nitric oxide production, improving blood flow to the pelvic region. This dual action supports prostate size reduction while maintaining long-term function. Beyond prostate benefits, citrus supports your entire body. First, immune health. Packed with vitamin C, citrus strengthens your defenses, helping your body fight infections and remain resilient. Second, skin health. Vitamin C supports collagen production and protects against free radical damage, helping tired or dull skin look refreshed and youthful again. Third, digestion. Citrus stimulates bile production, aiding digestion and improving nutrient absorption. Less bloating, more comfort, and better overall balance allow your body to focus on healing. To start, drink warm lemon water each morning. Use the juice of half a lemon in about 8 ounces of warm water. It takes seconds, but delivers lasting benefits. If acidity bothers you, dilute it further or begin with less lemon and slowly increase. Always listen to your body. One important tip: rinse your mouth with plain water afterward to protect tooth enamel. This simple step ensures you enjoy the benefits without harming your teeth. Citrus isn't a quick fix, it's a full-body ally. From prostate relief to immune strength and digestive support, this simple fruit offers powerful results when used consistently. Number 4, kiwi, the anti-inflammatory vitamin powerhouse. With its vivid green flesh and tiny black seeds, kiwi is far more than a sweet snack. It's a potent tool against chronic inflammation, particularly for aging men facing prostate challenges. In my practice, men often describe urgency, discomfort, and persistent inflammation. Many rely on medications that temporarily dull symptoms without addressing the root issue. That root cause is often chronic, low-grade inflammation, silently building over time. Kiwi tackles this head-on. It contains more vitamin C than an orange, helping reduce oxidative stress in prostate tissue. It also provides vitamin E, potassium, and polyphenols, all of which support inflammation reduction and overall health. One standout feature of kiwi is actinidin, a digestive enzyme that helps break down proteins and reduce gut-derived toxins. A healthier gut lowers systemic inflammation, which directly benefits the prostate. Animal studies show kiwi consumption can reduce inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein and interleukin-6, both associated with prostate swelling. These findings highlight kiwi's potential for long-term relief. Beyond the prostate, kiwi improves sleep thanks to serotonin precursors, supports heart health through potassium, and even aids respiratory wellness by modulating mast cell activity. Adding kiwi is easy. Eat 1 medium kiwi in the morning or blend it into citrus water. Its low glycemic index provides steady energy without blood sugar spikes, and allergic reactions are rare. Number 3, cherries, the unexpected prostate protector. Cherries may not be the first fruit you think of for prostate support, but their benefits are impressive. Rich in anthocyanins, cherries reduce inflammation by inhibiting enzymes that stress prostate tissue, including QX2 pathways linked to swelling and urinary issues. Cherries also support sleep by providing melatonin precursors. One patient in his late 60s reduced nighttime bathroom trips from 4 times a night to just 1 or 2 after adding tart cherry juice to his routine. His energy, mood, and quality of life improved dramatically. Anthocyanins also enhance vascular flexibility, supporting healthy circulation and male vitality. Cherries act as gentle diuretics, flushing toxins without causing dehydration or electrolyte imbalance. Enjoy fresh or frozen cherries, add them to lemon water, or drink unsweetened tart cherry juice. They're safe, gentle, and effective for most seniors. Number 2, berries, the antioxidant guardians of male vitality. Berries shield the prostate from oxidative damage while supporting overall resilience. Blueberries boost nitric oxide and blood flow. Strawberries contain ellagic acid that helps regulate abnormal cell growth. Raspberries reduce inflammation, and blackberries strengthen connective tissue, easing pelvic tension. A 72-year-old retiree added a daily berry mix and noticed reduced urgency and improved mental clarity within 2 weeks. His energy returned, and his symptoms eased. Berries also support heart health, brain function, and blood sugar stability. Add them to water, lemon water, or eat them plain. They're gentle, safe, and incredibly effective. Number 1, watermelon. Few foods evoke nostalgia like watermelon, but beyond its refreshing taste lies lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports prostate health by reducing inflammation and improving urinary flow. Lycopene also enhances circulation, supporting erectile health and overall vitality. Pairing watermelon with healthy fats improves absorption, while its high water content provides gentle hydration, ideal for seniors. Enjoy 2 to 3 cups in the morning, ideally after lemon water. Let it reach room temperature if you're sensitive to cold foods, or blend it for a smoother option. Watermelon is safe, hydrating, and highly effective. Let's recap. Citrus reduces inflammation. Kiwi delivers vitamin C and digestive support. Cherries provide anthocyanins and sleep benefits. Berries protect the prostate and brain. Watermelon hydrates and eases urinary strain with lycopene. Together, these fruits rebuild strength, confidence, and vitality from within. Your body hasn't given up on you. Those symptoms aren't surrender, they're signals asking for care. Healing doesn't always start in a pharmacy. Sometimes it begins in your kitchen. Start with one fruit. Stay consistent. Let your body respond. If this message resonated with you, like the video, share it with someone who needs hope, and leave a comment. I read them all. Until next time, remember, your vitality is still there. Meet it halfway.